Hey, do you believe in love at first sight?
I think it's possible. Why, do you think we just had it?
I was hoping you might say that. What's your favorite type of music?
I love indie music.
I know this amazing band. I could show you sometime. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would it be?
Maybe Paris or Tokyo.
Paris sounds great. I could be your tour guide. What's something that makes you laugh no matter what?
A good meme.
I have a collection. Want me to show you? What's your idea of a perfect day?
A relaxing day at the beach.
I know a perfect spot. I could take you there sometime. Do you prefer sunsets or sunrises?
Sunsets.
I'll make sure we catch the best sunset together. If you could eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Pizza.
I think we are meant to be. Pizza is life. What's your favorite season?
Fall.
We should take a walk in the park when the leaves change color. Do you like to read?
Yes, I love reading.
What's your favorite book? Maybe I can borrow it. What's something you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Skydiving.
We should do it together sometime. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
I'm not bad in the kitchen either. Maybe we can cook together? What's your favorite movie genre?
Romantic comedies.
Perfect. I have a list of rom-coms. Want to watch them together? How do you like to spend your weekends?
Mostly relaxing or hanging out with friends.
I'd love to be part of your weekend plans sometime. Are you a morning person?
Not really.
I can make mornings better with coffee if you'd like. What's the best adventure you've been on?
A road trip with friends.
I'd love to plan a road trip with you one day. Do you like spontaneous adventures?
Absolutely.
Great. I'm always up for an impromptu adventure. What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Christmas lights are magical. We should go see some together. Do you like surprises?
Yes, I do.
I've got some surprise plans for us in mind. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip.
I knew we had a lot in common. Let's grab some later. Do you believe in fate?
I do, a little.
I think fate brought us together. What's your idea of a romantic date?
A quiet dinner under the stars.
I can definitely make that happen. What's the most important thing to you in a relationship?
Trust.
You can trust me, always. What's something you've always wanted to learn?
I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar.
I can teach you some basic chords if you'd like. Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, be the change you want to see in the world.
That's powerful. I believe in it too. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
I've got a dog. Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea.
I'll bring you a cup of the best tea next time. What's something you are passionate about?
Helping others.
I admire that. Maybe we can volunteer together. Do you like to dance?
I do, but I'm a bit shy.
I'll make sure you feel comfortable. I'd love to dance with you. What's the most exciting thing you've ever done?
Went on a solo trip to Europe.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to hear all about it. What's your favorite way to relax?
I love listening to music and just zoning out.
I can make you a playlist to relax to. What's one of your guilty pleasures?
Binge watching shows on Netflix.
Same here. What show should we binge together? Do you like surprises?
Of course.
I've got a few surprises planned for you already. What's your biggest pet peeve?
People being late.
I promise, I'll always be on time for you. If you could be any character from a book or movie, who would you be?
Hermione Granger.
I can definitely see you as a Hermione. I'd be your Ron. Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes. Nature is so peaceful.
We should go on a hike together sometime. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I'd love to live in Italy.
Let's go there together one day. What's your favorite childhood memory?
Going on family vacations.
That sounds special. Maybe we can make some amazing memories too. What's your dream job?
A writer.
You'd be amazing at it. I'd love to read your work. What's your favorite sport?
Soccer.
Maybe I could teach you a thing or two about it. What's your idea of a perfect weekend?
A mix of relaxation and fun activities.
I can plan the perfect weekend for us. Do you like playing video games?
Sometimes.
I bet we'd make a great team in any game. What's the most beautiful place you've ever visited?
The mountains.
The mountains sound amazing. Let's go for a hike soon. Do you like to sing?
I do, but only when I'm alone.
I'll make sure to be your private audience one day. What's the best gift you've ever received?
A handwritten letter.
I could write you one if you'd like. What's something you always wanted to learn?
A new language.
I can teach you some basic phrases in French or Spanish. Do you prefer city life or country life?
I like a balance of both.
That sounds perfect. We should explore both. What's the best advice anyone has ever given you?
To always trust my instincts.
I agree. I trust mine, and I think we should get to know each other more.